Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am doing 6th class maths, simple equations, and in this simple equations we have got rules for geometry of mensuration. Here rules means how the formula are developed. Now we have got one example here, that is perimeter of a square. We are going to develop a formula for it. What is perimeter means? Perimeter means sum of all sides. That is called perimeter. Now we will be talking about a square. A square, let us consider A, B, C, D as a square. What is a square? A square is a closed figure which is formed by joining four sides. And how are these four sides? All four sides are equal in their measures. So let me consider this as S units, this as S units, this as S units, this as S units. So, what is the perimeter you will be talking about? Perimeter is nothing but AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. AB is S plus S plus S plus S. 4S. This is the formula that is developed for perimeter of a square. In this way, other formulae also are developed. You are going to learn about it in your higher classes. Now, let us say about rule from arithmetic. Now, the next one is rule from arithmetic. Here as an example, you have got certain numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. The series is given to you. Here you have to find find nth term. Find nth term. This is the question. So in this, what is first term? First term you have got it as 2. How can you write 2? If you multiply 2 with 1, you are getting 2. Now when you write second term is given as 4. How are you getting 4? 2 if you multiplied by 2, you are getting 4. What is third term given? Third term given to you is 6. 2 if you multiplied by 3, you are getting 6. And fourth term is given as 8. 2 if you multiplied by 4, you are getting 8. And fifth term is given as 10. 2 if you multiplied by 5, you have got 10. So when you see the relationship here, each term is multiplied by 2. First term 2 1s are, second term 2 2s are, third term 2 3s are, fourth term 2 4s are, fifth term 2 5s are. So what is the nth term? Nth term will be equal to 2 into n. That is 2n. This is the answer. Nth term of the series. This is the answer, children. This is the way in which you have to do. Just write down. Afterwards, we are going to do these sums. Now, do these sums. That is first one. Find the nth term. This problem is find the nth term. First bit given to you is 3, 6, 9, 12, so on. So what is first term, children? First term you have got it as 3. You will be getting when you multiply 3 with 1. And what is second term? Second term is 6. 3 when you multiply by 2, you are getting 6. What is third term? Third term is 9. 3 when you multiply it by 3, you are getting 9. And what is fourth term? Fourth term given to you is 12. How are you getting? 4 when you multiplied, 3. 3 when you multiplied by 4, you are getting 12. So, first term 3 into 1, second term 3 into 2, third term 3 into 3, fourth term 3 into 4. So, what is the nth term? Therefore, nth term is 3 into n. That is 3n. This is the answer, children, for the first bit. And let us see second bit. 2, 5, 8, 11, so on. So, first term is 2. How are you getting 2, you know? When you take 3 multiplied by 1 and subtract 1. This is 3 minus 1. So, what is second term? Second term you have got it as 5. 3 2s are 6 minus 1 is 5. Third term is 8. 3 multiplied by 3 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. And fourth term is 3 into 4 minus 1. That is fourth term is 11. That is 12 minus 1. So first term is 3 ones are minus 1. Second term 3 twos are minus 1. Third term 3 threes are minus 1. Fourth term 3 fours are minus 1. Therefore, nth term is equal to 3 into n minus 1. That is 3n minus 1. This is the answer for the second problem, children. Now, we will go to the third bit. Third bit, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, so on. So, first term is 1. We will talk about it afterwards, after doing second term. Second term is equal to, you have got 8. Second term is 8. How will you get 8? If you take 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 when you multiply 3 times, that is 2 cube. 2 when you multiply by 3 times, you are getting 8. That means 1 when you multiply by 3 times, 1 cube is 1, the first one. And this is second one. Third term. Third term we have got 27. 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. That means 3 cube. Now, fourth term, you have got 64. 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64, that is 4 cube. Now, fifth term is equal to 125, that is 5 fives are 25, 25 fives are 125, that is 5 cube. So these are all exponential forms, children. You will understand it in higher classes. But one thing you remember, this is base, this is power. This means whatever is the power, so many times this base has to be multiplied. 2 cube, 2 multiplied by 3 times. 3 cube, 3 multiplied by 3 times. 4 cube, 4 multiplied by 3 times. 5 cube, 5 multiplied by 3 times. So, therefore, what is the nth term? Nth term n should be multiplied by 3 times. That is n cube is the answer for it, children. So these are, do these sums. Please copy it. Now let us write the definition of simple equation. What is the definition of simple equation? The definition of simple equation is, it is a mathematical statement. A mathematical statement which contains relation of equality. That means what? There is an equal sign. You have got, it contains LHS, that is left hand side, and RHS, that is right hand side, and it contains numerals. Numerals means numbers, and variables. Variables means letters. So you can, these are the 3 points which will give you an understanding about simple equation. Now the question here, you have got, do this sums, children, here in this simple equations. What are these do this sums? First one, write LHS and RHS of the following. Certain simple equations are given. LHS and RHS you have to write. So let me write LHS here and RHS here. What is the first problem? First problem is 2x plus 1 is equal to 10. So LHS is 2x plus 1, RHS is 10. So what is the second one? 9 is equal to y minus 2. So 9 LHS, y minus 2 is RHS. Third bit, 3p plus 5 is equal to 2p plus 10. So this is 3p plus 5, this is 2p plus 10. This is first bit, children. And second one, write any two simple equations. Write any two simple equations and give their LHS and RHS. So as an example, I should write the first one. Here I will write LHS and here I will write RHS. First one, 2p plus 9 is equal to 29. So LHS is 2p plus 9, RHS is 29. Second one, 125 cube is equal to 625. So LHS 125 cube, RHS 625. This as an example I have written, children, but your wish. You can write anything that you want here. This is about do this. Children, please note it down. Now we are going to do solution of solution of an equation trial and error method. Trial and error method. Solution of equation trial and error method. Solution means, children, the answer that we will get after solving an equation. But how it has to be solved? It should be solved by using trial and error method. Here, as an example, you have got 2x plus 5 is equal to 27. This is the example sum, how it has to be solved by using trial and error method. So let me take, let x is equal to 1. You are trying with 1. Then what is LHS? LHS is 2x plus 5. That means 2 into x means into here. 2 into 1 plus 5, that is 2 plus 5, 7. 7 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. So, first one is not accepted. Next, x is equal to 2. Then what is LHS? 2x plus 5. This means 2 into 2 plus 5. 2 to the 4 plus 5, that is 9. 9 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Now, you take x is equal to 3. What is LHS? 2x plus 5. That means 2 into 3 plus 5. 2 3s are 6 plus 5, that is 11. 11 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Now let us say x is equal to 4. What is LHS? 2x plus 5. 2 into 4 plus 5. 8 plus 5. 13. 13 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Next, x is equal to 5. 2x plus 5, LHS. I have to write first LHS. LHS is equal to 2x plus 5. So, 2 into 5 plus 5, that is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 15 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Next, x is equal to 6. LHS 2x plus 5. 2 into 6 plus 5, that is 2 6 are 12 plus 5, that is 17. 17 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Next, x is equal to 7. LHS is equal to 2x plus 5. that is 2 into 7 plus 5, 14 plus 5, 19. 19 is not equal to 27, therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Now you take the next part, that is x is equal to 7. 7 I have completed. Now I should go for 8. LHS 2x plus 5. 2 into 8 plus 5. 16 plus 5. 21. 21 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Next, x is equal to 9. LHS 2x plus 5. 2 into 9 plus 5. 2 nines are 18 plus 5. 23. So 23 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Now you take x is equal to 10. LHS 2x plus 5. 2 into 10 plus 5. 20 plus 5 is 27. So 20 plus 5 is 25. So 25 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Next, x is equal to 11. LHS is equal to 2x plus 5. That is 2 into 11 plus 5. 22 plus 5. 27. 27 is equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So, what is the answer? X is equal to 11 is the answer. So, to get the answer, you need to do so much calculation. This kind of one property is called trial and error method. So the procedure is same, children. Only the thing is you should continue your procedure till you get LHS is equal to RHS. Till then you cannot stop it. Please do it. Now, next one, you have got another example. 3m is equal to 15. This also you have to solve by using trial and error method. So, in this, first you take let m is equal to 1. LHS is 3m. That means 3 into 1, 3. What do you mean by this? 3 is not equal to 15. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Now, m is equal to 2. LHS is 3m. That is equal to 3 into 2 is 6. 6 is not equal to 15. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Now, m is equal to 3. LHS 3m. That is 3 into 3 is 9. 9 is not equal to 15. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Now, m is equal to 4. Let us take m is equal to 4. m is equal to 4. LHS is 3m. 3 into 4, that is 12. 12 is not equal to 15. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Now, take M is equal to 5. LHS is 3M. That is 3 into 5. That is 15. So, 15 is equal to 15. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, M is equal to 5. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now let us say do this sum. Now do this sum. Find the solution. Find the solution of the equation by trial and error method. The problem is x plus x minus 4 is equal to 2. Let x is equal to 1. What is LHS? X minus 4. 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is how much? Minus 3. Minus 3 is not equal to 2. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. X is equal to 2. LHS. X minus 4. 2 minus 4. Minus 2. Minus 2 is not equal to 2. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. X is equal to 3. LHS. X minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. X is equal to 4. LHS x minus 4. 4 minus 4, that is 0. 0 is not equal to 2. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. X is equal to 5. LHS x minus 4, that is equal to 5 minus 4, 1. 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. X is equal to 6. LHS is 6, x minus 4. That is 6 minus 4, that is 2. 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 6 is the answer for this sum, children. Please copy it. This is do this sum. Let us now do exercise 9.3. The first one, state which of the following are equations. Equations means, children, LHS and RHS with equality sign. So the first one, x minus 3 is equal to 7. So we will call it as an equation. Second one, L plus 5 is greater than 9. So it is, which of the following are equations? It is not an equation. Third bit, p minus 4 is less than 10. This is also not an equation. Greater than, lesser than will not be equations. Next, fourth bit, 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 6. This is an equation. Fifth bit, 2s minus 2 is equal to 12. This is also an equation. Sixth bit, 3x plus 5 is greater than 13. It is not an equation. Seventh bit, 3x is less than 15. This is also not an equation. Eighth one, 2x minus 5 is equal to 3. It is an equation. Ninth one, 7y plus 1 is less than 22. This is not an equation. Tenth one, minus 3z plus 6 is equal to 12. It is an equation because there is equality sign between them. 11th, 2x minus 3y is equal to 3. This is also an equation. 12th one, z is equal to 4. This is also an equation. Means what you are able to understand here, children, between LHS and RHS, there should be only equality sign to consider it as an equation. If there is a lesser than sign or greater than sign, we don't consider it as an equation. Please note it down. Now, second problem. Write LHS and RHS of the following equations. So, I'll write LHS here, RHS here. One by one we'll see. First one, x minus 5 is equal to 6. LHS x minus 5, RHS is 6. Next, second one, 4y is equal to 12. LHS 4y, RHS 12. And third bit, 2x plus 2z plus 3 is equal to 7. 2z, let me write 2 like this. 2z plus 3 LHS, 7 is RHS. Fourth one, 3p is equal to 24. 3p LHS, 24 RHS. Fifth one, 4 is equal to x minus 2. 4 LHS, x minus 2 RHS. Sixth one, 2a minus 3 is equal to minus 5. 2a minus 3 LHS minus 5 RHS. This is second sum, children. Please note it down. Now, let us find out how to do Third sum. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. Trial and error method. First bit, x plus 3 is equal to 5. X plus 3 is equal to 5. Let x is equal to 1. LHS is x plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 is not equal to 5. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Next, x is equal to 2. LHS is x plus 3. That means 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Therefore, 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So, what is the value of x? X is equal to 2 is the answer for the first bit. Now, we will see the second one. Second one is 4y is equal to 12. Let y is equal to 1. LHS 4y means 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. 4 is not equal to 12. So, what you can say? Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Y is equal to 2. LHS 4y. 4 into 2, 8. 8 is not equal to 12. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Next, y is equal to 3. LHS 4y. 4 into 3, that is 12. So, 12 is equal to 12. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So, y is equal to 3. This is the answer. This is second bit. Now, third bit. A minus 2 is equal to 6. Let A is equal to 1. LHS. A minus 2. That means 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 is not equal to 6. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. A is equal to 2 if you take. LHS is A minus 2. 2 minus 2 to get cancelled 0. 0 is not equal to 6. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. A is equal to 3. LHS A minus 2. 3 minus 2, that is 1. 1 is not equal to 6. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Now, A is equal to 4. LHS A minus 2, that is 4 minus 2. Is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. 2 is not equal to 6. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. A is equal to 5. LHS A minus 2, that is 5 minus 2, that is 3. 3 is not equal to 6. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. A is equal to 6. LHS A minus 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 is not equal to 6. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. A is equal to 7. LHS is A minus 2, 7 minus 2, 5. 5 is not equal to 6. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. A is equal to 8. LHS A minus 2, 8 minus 2, 6. 6 is equal to 6. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, A is equal to 8 is the answer. For this problem, A is equal to 8 is the answer, children. 3 bits I have done. Please note it down. Now, fourth bit, 5y is equal to 15. Let y is equal to 1. LHS 5y, that is equal to 5 into 1, 5. 5 is not equal to 15. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Now, y is equal to 2. LHS is 5y. 5 into 2, that is 10. 10 is not equal to 15. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Y is equal to 3. LHS 5y. 5 into 3, 15. 15 is equal to 15. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, y is equal to 3. This is the answer. This is fourth bit. Now, fifth bit, 6n is equal to 30. Let n is equal to 1. LHS is 6n. 6 into 1, 6. 6 is not equal to 30. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. N is equal to 2. LHS is 6n. 6 into 2, 12. 12 is not equal to 30. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. N is equal to 3. LHS is 6n. 6 into 3, 18. 18 is not equal to 30. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Next, n is equal to 4. LHS 6n. 6 into 4, 24. 24 is not equal to 30. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. N is equal to 5. LHS 6n. 6 into 5, that is 30. Therefore, 30 is equal to 30. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So, what is n? N is equal to 5. This is the answer. This is fifth bit. Now, let us see the sixth bit. 3z is equal to 27. Let z is equal to 1. LHS. 3z is equal to 3 into 1, that is 3. 3 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Z is equal to 2. LHS. 3z is equal to 3 into 2, 6. 6 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Z is equal to 3. LHS 3Z, that is 3 into 3, that is 9. 9 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Z is equal to 4. LHS 3Z, that is 3 into 4, that is 12. 12 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Now, next, L is equal to Z is equal to 4 we have done. Z is equal to 5. 3Z LHS. 3Z is equal to 3 into 5, 15. 15 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Now, let me divide it so that it will be easy for you to understand. Next, Z is equal to 6. LHS 3Z. 3 into 6, 18. 18 is not equal to how much? 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Next, Z is equal to 7. LHS 3Z. 3 into Z, 7. Z is 7. 3 into 7, 21. 21 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Z is equal to 8. LHS 3Z. 3 into 8, 24. 24 is not equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Next, Z is equal to 9. LHS 3Z. 3 into 9, 27. So 27 is equal to 27. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, Z is equal to 9 is the answer for this problem, children. I hope I am clear to your children. For everyone, trial and error method, so we need to do so much. If it is a direct method, we can do it, solve it in a different way. But trial and error method should be done in this way only, children. Please copy it. With this chapter is completed. Next chapter I will do in the next class.